Hello everyone friends, this is Valersh. Today I'll show you how to connect a joystick to your computer. I've connected it here, it's plugged in now. Let's go to settings. Here I'll go to devices. Yes. So it's connected and here's my USB input device. That's what it's called. Well, this is my controller. Now I'll disconnect it and then reconnect it. Sometimes controllers aren't detected by computers. To add them, click the Add button and select how to connect your device. There. Here you can see Xbox controllers. See? And then you connect it. If that doesn't help, you'll need to download a program called DS4 Windows. It helps PlayStation joysticks and others connect with Windows. I'm downloading it to my desktop now. Now we open DS4 Windows EXE. Download this file, click Install, then Yes. Without this software, you won't be able to connect the joystick. So let's close everything and try to open our file again. We might need something else. Here we click on Program folder. Here we have devices that are supported, yes, including DS. Now we need to select the gamepad we need. So we have DualShock 3, DualShock 4, and Nintendo Switch. There are also other joysticks available. There. That's it for now. Now we add the drivers and we're good to go. That's all there is to it. See you later, everyone.